Hi, my name is Rajat baronia, and I represent Triniti Corporation here. So this is we are representing Triniti India entity here. So we are a US-based organization, and we also have presence in Hyderabad, and we also have presence in Middle East. So we are basically an ERP implementation organization. We work primarily with Oracle ERP. We also have an offering for open source ERP. That's what we are representing here today. This ERP is mainly for the small and medium-sized enterprises. We have been doing that implementation for almost last 4 to 5 years for MSMEs. And apart from ERP offering, we are also presenting some of our IIoT solutions, which are mainly there are 3-4 IoT solutions that we are presenting here today. One is for energy monitoring, another one is for oil condition monitoring, and there is one solution that we are presenting for mainly the F&B businesses for food processing industry. So where we basically, so our offering is basically end-to-end offering for the IoT. It's starting from the hardware integration, acquiring the data, doing the data engineering on that, and then creating the analytics around that, visualizations and analytics. So that's on the IoT side. Apart from that, we have few other things going on around custom development. We do a lot of BI work. We are also started our journey on AI, generative AI. So we have few offerings on generative AI also. So you can visit us on www.trinity.com to get more details about the organization. Thank you.